8:44, summer is here, and unfortunately that means mosquitoes are swarming. Lifestyle expert Theresa Pickett from Theresa's Reviews, along with her daughter Samantha, are joining us this morning with the inside scoop on the best ways to avoid mosquitoes around the house and really anywhere you go. Everyone wants to hear this. What do you know? What do you got? You got some tips for it?
Yeah, so
something Samantha is sporting for us.
The last tip is to use mosquito repellent like Mosquito. Natural repellent is just as effective, and it's safer for you and for the environment. Since it's made with all essential oils, it's perfect for babies, young children, pregnant women, and really anybody.
So as Samantha is so nicely demonstrating, you can wear it on your wrist, and then you put one of these kind of inside right here. How often do you have to change it?
About every 2 weeks, and these are Mosquito's patented pellets of essential oils, and you just place it inside. Yeah, and you can wear this all day and night. It's waterproof, refillable, and reusable.
Is it going to protect your legs too, and all over your body other than just your arms?
You can actually, if you're in an area that has a lot of mosquitoes, you can wear one on your wrist and one on your ankle if you need to, or there's a roll-on gel for highly infested areas.
Really? Do you recommend, sometimes you see the bug sprays, do those work?
They can work as well, but these, since they're natural and have essential oils, they're really good for children if you don't want those harsh chemicals.
Which is huge. And my poor little girl's constantly getting bit all the time. We'll have to try some of these. Thank you so much, and thank you, Samantha, for coming in.
You can get these at Mosquito.com for about $20.
Awesome. Appreciate it. I know, Amy, so many people want to be outside, but this keeps me inside sometimes. The bugs always come after me.
I know, me too. I know. The mosquitoes get you every time. If it's not the mosquitoes, it's going to be the heat today.